Good morning, dear student. Today we'll discuss about powers of Prime Minister and President. So yesterday we have discussed political power and permanent members power, means civil servant, and why is the political more powerful compared than the civil servants. Yesterday we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss about Prime Minister. So dear Prime Minister is the head of government and appointed by president or prime minister, maybe from majority or coalition government, or in case of any political party unable to form support or government, so president can offer to the majority or those got the maximum number of seats to form the government, and they may be prove themselves through the floor test. And in this we'll discuss about the prime minister and president power. So after appointment of prime minister, the president appoint the other ministers, and prime minister may be usually from majority party या coalition from the Lok Sabha. The prime minister is free to choose the minister as long as the other members of parliament. So prime minister can choose the ministers from different same political party. A person who is not part of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, he became a minister, maybe choose by prime minister, but there is one condition: within the 6 month, within the 6 month, he or she must be elected from one house, elected from one house. तो उसको मिनिस्टर बना सकते हैं, लेकिन विद इन 6 मंथ या तो उसको राज्यसभा से इलेक्ट होकर आना है या लोकसभा से इलेक्ट होकर आना है. तो देर इज द वन कंडीशन आल्सो इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कि मिनिस्टर में भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर में भी मेक ए सच पर्सन एज ए मिनिस्टर who become not maybe not part of in present Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, but in future within 6 months he elected from anyone houses. So in this we'll discuss about the different minister, the council minister. So the council minister all are part of prime minister, work under the prime minister. Approximately 60 to 80 ministers are work. They are part of the council minister. So first we'll discuss about the cabinet minister are usually top levels minister, top level department, party who in charge the major ministers by those who political party in charge the major ministers. The cabinet has inner ring of councils, minister, and these numbers are approximately 25 ministers. तो जो top level ministers होते हैं, their numbers are 25, like railway minister, finance minister, foreign affairs minister. Okay, so these health minister. So these are the cabinet minister. Their numbers are 25. So first category is the cabinet minister. Second one is the Minister of State with independent in charge. Minister of State with independent in charge means are usually in charge of smaller ministries that participate in the cabinet meeting only when they specially invited. So second is the independent ministers, state ministers. They are part of that small ministries given from the state, and they may be participated in the meeting when especially they are invited by the cabinet. Third category is the state ministers, and minister of states are a supportive staffs, supportive ministers for first two category. वो दोनों को support करते हैं, cabinet ministers and minister of the independent in charge, support by the minister of state. जो minister of states होते हैं, they support the both. So these are the three category we have discussed of minister: cabinet, independent minister with small ministries. Third one is the Ministry of State. So all are part of the council ministers. So parliamentary democracy is most countries open known as the cabinet form because all discuss their issues inside the cabinet meetings. or in a cabinet meetings held regularly, or in this discuss about their issues with the help of head of majority means prime minister. So now we are going to discuss about the powers of prime minister. तो ये head of government is known as the prime minister, and the prime minister is chairs cabinet meeting. He is the head of government. वो head of government होता है prime minister. He coordinates the work of different department. He coordinates allot the work to different department and see work is smoothly going on or not. His decision are final in case of disagreement between the different department. अगर दो department के बीच में if there is the any disagreement तो final decision will be implemented, or who will give the final decision? Prime Minister. He exercise general supervision of different ministries. He maybe supervise the whole department, is the head. The Prime Minister disturb and redisturb work of the minister. He may be change their policy. He may be disturb their work. He may be redisturb वापस improvement or maybe implication. So whatever instruction given by the Prime Minister that followed by the different department or ministry. He has the power to dismiss the ministers. प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज द पावर टू डिसमिस द मिनिस्टर. किसी भी मिनिस्टर को डिसमिस कर सकता है. और लास्ट कि इफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर में बी क्विट तो ऑल मिनिस्ट्री विल बी क्विट. यानी प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज इफ गिवन द रिजाइन तो ऑल मिनिस्ट्री विल बी गिव द रिजाइन्स लाइक. तो दिस आर द पावर वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट प्राइम मिनिस्टर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रेसिडेंट. So president is the head of state in our country. The president supervises the overall functions of political institutions in India, so that operate in proper way. And election of president, how to be elect the president, will discuss. It is elected by the MLAs and MPs, or MLAs and MPs are elected by the public. So through this, elections are conducted for the president. You know, most of decision may be held in name of president in our country, but in other words, we can say he is the less power compared in the prime minister. So, what are the powers of president? All government activities take place in name of president. यानी all government activities signed by the president. All laws, major policy decisions may be issued and name of the president. जो भी decision laws है, all may be on the name of president. All major appointment are like a chief justice है, ambassador है, election commissioner है, governor of states है. So these are appointed by the president. So president has too much power, but he work as a instruction of prime minister. All international treaties agreement are held name of president. सब जो international agreement होते हैं, it may be signed by the president. And last and important point, the president is the supreme commander of defense forces. All defense forces, air force, navy, land force. So he is the supreme commander. President is the supreme commander of all three forces. So dear student, today we will discuss about powers of prime minister and president. Tomorrow we will discuss about judiciary. Have a good day. Thanks.